Discover Absolute Rehydrate for automated remote recovery of devices at speed and scale. This demo will walk through a recovery scenario, remotely removing a file causing a BSOD issue. The laptop boot sequence has failed. It's time to start the recovery process. During the boot sequence, the user taps the F6 key to initiate the recovery process. In the background, the IT team select the recovery playbook from the Absolute Secure Endpoint console. In this example, the BitLocker recovery key is entered to allow access to the disk. In the playbook, the delete file parameter is selected and configured with the affected file's path. Then the technician allows users to initiate the playbook using the F6 recovery key. On the device, the unique extended resilience password is entered. The playbook is downloaded to the device. Then, the playbook is executed and the faulty file is replaced before the boot sequence is completed. And the device successfully restarts. The BSOD issue has now been resolved, and the machine has been recovered remotely within minutes.